fingers crossed. Alright. So they just brought it out over here. Just gonna look at it real quick. You gonna move that over or something?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll get this
No,
out.
no, you're fine.
Okay.
I was trying to get it to scooter.
Right.
They got the particular one you're looking for?
Yeah, it's a 63 Chevy. This time. Thank you, miss. I appreciate it. I appreciate it, bud. Thank you very much. Oh, yeah. Boom. This one right here. This is the one I was looking for right here.
Why ain't you buying it?
I'm going to.
Oh,
yeah.
like, why are you taking a
I'm
picture?
going to. This is what I was looking for, man. Yeah, I appreciate it. Right on. So I'm gonna look through the rest real quick. Alright, let's see if there's another one in here.
Hot Wheel was. I got
Right.
these multi packs down
Five
here.
pack, yeah. And Monster Jams, of course. That's always got to accompany the Mattel stuff.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, right.
Oh wait, that's yours.
Yeah. Oh, please don't do that. Little error right there. I can't stop picking these up. I don't know why, but this is something about them.
So the recording is just a reference, or?
I kind of record my my finds and stuff, and I'm on YouTube too. I do YouTube videos. Yeah, there's quite a few people who do it, so you know, yeah.
I gotcha. Okay. I was just curious.
Check these kits out. I'm just looking for errors right now. See if there's anything good in here. I doubt there's two in here, but yeah, no, there's two common versions. So yeah, y'all, I'm at a neighborhood Walmart, the smaller ones, not the big ones. On my way to work, it's Saturday morning, going in for some OT. So it's like almost 8 in the morning. Alright guys, that's the highlight of it right there. Alright man, thanks for watching. What's up everybody? Trying to end this segment of these finds on a good note. Here at Walmart, and I got this big box of M2s. Look at it, A1. So there's got to be a chase in there. There's got to be a chase in this sucker. Oh crap. Oh my goodness. Oh hell yes. Boom. Oh my goodness, dude. That is freaking a raw, bro. Hell yeah. Damn. Look at that. Shit. The other one. Oh man, look at that. Killer dealer right there, y'all. Alright, good deal. I wanted to end this video on a good note, man. Really did. Hit a bunch of cases the last couple of days. Did okay with the supers. My collector buddy, he got like 3-4 GTs. I got that one, but I already called dibs on him, so he said that's cool. But I'll hook up with him later. But thanks guys for watching, man. It's been a good run. Until next time, y'all be good.